I'm Dr. Sashikanth, Senior Consultant Plastic and Cosmetic Surgeon. So what are the other functions of skin? The skin, generalized, what are the functions generally, what are the functions of the skin? So the skin, the main function of the skin is the protection of the underlying structures. How do it protect? It gives a cover. In addition to it, it prevents evaporation of the fluid because body is composed of 90% of the body is composed of water. So when skin is not there, the underlying structures are exposed to the environment and water gets evaporated from that and that tissue gets desiccated and dead. So that is the reason why you need skin. So the skin covers, prevents the loss of moisture from the tissues, and it has got a lot of multiple glands within it, sebaceous glands, sweat glands, and multiple neural elements which takes the sensation from the external environment and it transmits those sensations to the brain. And in addition, it has got melanocytes which gives color to the skin. Some people are fair skin because of less number of melanocytes. Some people are dark skin because of more amount of melanocytes. And in addition to it, it filters the sunlight. It filters the ultraviolet radiation which comes in the sunlight by different types of cells within that, and it allows only safe sunlight to go inside the body. So these are one of the very few, many functions of the skin which are more important. So the sweat glands, they secrete sweat. The sebaceous gland, they secrete the sebum, which is the oil which causes which prevents the skin from getting dried up. So if you observe during winter, when the atmosphere is dry, the moisture is dry in the surrounding atmosphere, the skin becomes dry, scaly, and sometimes cracks appear within the skin. And that's why we apply many moisturizing creams to keep the skin moist. So the skin glands, the sebaceous glands, they secrete the sebum and prevents the evaporation or prevents the loss of moisture from the skin by smearing the skin with the oily substance that is called sebum. So sometimes when the sebum is insufficient, like what happens in winters, especially in places where the moisture is less, then the results of that will be visible as the form of scaly skin, cracks in the skin, and sometimes even the skin gets infected because of those cracks. That is why our skin is the most important organ of the body. If the skin is not there, it will be disastrous for the internal structures.